Assalamu alaikum everyone. Today we are going to show you our crowded Arba'een walk in Karachi. Hadia, 1.5 years old, is participating for the first time in Arba'een walk. The Arba'een Walk of Karachi is the Pakistan's largest annual public gathering that is held every year in Karachi city at the end of the 14th day mourning period following Ashura, the religious ritual for the commemoration of martyrdom of the grandson of Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, peace be upon him, and the third Shia Muslim Imam Husayn ibn Ali alayhi salam in 61 AH. Anticipating Arba'een or the 14th day of the martyrdom, the Azadars make their journey from Nashtar Park to Iranian on foot. And the largest Arba'een pilgrimage is held every year in Karbala. The pilgrims make their journey to Karbala on foot from Najaf to Karbala, where Hussein and his companions were martyred and beheaded by the army of Yazid in the Battle of Karbala. During this walk, supplies of food, small clinics are available for participants and they all work for free. The care of participants is regarded as a religious duty. Along the roads, many mokibs tents are devised with the aim of providing accommodation, food and beverage and medical services, and practically anything else the participants needs for free.
वो एक सल्तनत इश्क नाम करबला, अजल से परचा में अब्बास है निशान जिसका, जहाँ पे नक्श है मौला हुसैन का सजदा, वहाँ पे करने को सजदा, वहाँ पे।
On the routes of walk in Karachi city as well as in other cities, food and other services are provided for free by volunteers. Husayn alayhi salam is believed to transcend all culture boundaries and be a symbol of universal freedom and compassion. Today we are here to answer calling of Imam Husayn. Hal min Nasirin Yansurna. When our Imam Husayn salam was left alone on the battlefield of Karbala, he looked at the sky and said, Hal min Nasirin Yansurna. Is there anyone to help me? Today, in this century, we answer to this call by just saying in our hearts, O Imam, I wish that I was with you on the day of Ashura. I would have sacrificed myself and all I got. Today we are here with family to say Labbaik Ya Hussein and to say down with Yazid and death to Yazid and Yazid army and down with in this era's Yazidis. We are here in battle to show our strength to this era's Yazidis. We are here in field and our shouting slogans are Yazid Murdabad and Hussein Zindabad. We also express our solidarity. We say death to Israelis and Indians who are repeatedly attacking on innocent peoples. Saudi Arabia is repeatedly attacking on Yemeni innocent peoples, and we also say death to Al Saud, who is brutally killing innocent peoples in Yemen. Is our Imam Husayn alayhi salam is the Prince of Peace and Justice. So we want justice and peace for all humanity of the world.